Okay, listen up, because I just found the best side hustle for 2022. You need zero experience. You can easily make $1,000 a month. Just hear me out, please. It's making 3D virtual home tours for realtors' listings. I'm a realtor, and we do not have time to do this ourselves. I wish more people would do it so I'd have more options. You're going to be making virtual home tours just like this one that people can see from their phone or their computer, so that before they actually schedule a showing, waste time going out to a home, they'll know if they already like it or not, and they can walk through the property just like this. The best part is it takes no skill to do this, just an hour or two out of the property, and you can start with your phone. First, go to this website called Matterport and sign up for free. They'll walk you through exactly how to do it, and there's tons of tutorials online. If you practice at home, you'll get it down in like 10 minutes. Then you're gonna go on Zillow, find some nice houses near you, try and stick to the bigger ones because they pay more. See if they have a 3D tour option. This one does not. So what I'm gonna do is come over here, scroll down and find the listing agent. I'm gonna Google them, find their email, and then I'm gonna contact them. Do not hit on contact agent because that'll put you in touch with the buyer's agent, not the agent in charge of selling this home. You're going to email that agent, let them know that you can do a 3D tour of the home, which will help them market it and sell it faster. This is a business doing it where I'm at, and you can see that you can charge minimum $100 per home, and it gets more expensive the bigger the home is. If you're in a nicer area, you can probably charge much more. After you do a few tours, you should really upgrade to a real 3D camera to upgrade your quality. It'll cost you a couple $100. Then eventually you can start doing full-on photography, videography, and drone shots. You already know what to do. Follow to get your money up.